Welcome back to Sculpture Saturday. My name is Riley Fichter. I'm the park manager here at Josephine Sculpture Park.
And my name is Jamie Weinfurter. I'm the intern artist here.
And for today's piece, we'll be taking a look at something that's a bit more representational of a creature as opposed to our previously abstracted creatures. So for today's piece, let's take a look at Sean Lofton's Kentucky Fried Chicken. In Sean's words, this piece is a step into representational form and was inspired by Kentucky's state bird, the cardinal. Metal was chosen as the medium to contrast against the natural setting in which the piece is placed. Compared to previous creature sculptures, what makes this one stand out? What other sorts of creatures would you like to see represented through sculpture?